in my eyes, indisposed, in disguises no one knows. As the face lies the snake in the sun, in my disgrace. Boiling heat, summer stench, neath the black the sky looks dead. Call my name through the cream, and I'll hear you scream again. Black hole sun, won't you come wash away?
We're gonna cross. Ain't nothing stopping us. Hopefully.
Stood a ring, cold and damp, steal the warm winds.
Exit Glacier Road. It's totally flooding right now. And we are gonna go through.
Yes.
Right now. Go.
Don't feel bad.
That's my only advice. Come on now, who do you?
Back, Carol!
Go away. All the way over there. And we still gotta go back. Fun times in Alaska.
Yeah, fuck yeah. Carol and Aiden made it through Resurrection River.
Oh. Totally numb right now.
I know. Our feet are gonna hurt so bad when we get feeling.
Yeah.
This is Alaska. This is real Alaskan shit.
As you can tell by how we dress and
Yeah.
how they dress.